Hello, today I'll be showing you how to enable big picture mode in Steam. When you open up Steam, go to this little icon right beside your username and click on it. Once it has loaded in, you can view all your games, your friends list, and your recommended games. Here you can press this button and see your library, store, friends chat, and everything you need. Now to exit big picture mode, go to the Steam button, click on power and exit big picture mode. Now you know how to use big picture mode. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like.